In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your PIN in Windows 11. Updating your PIN is a quick way to improve your device's security, and the process only takes a moment. To start, click on the Windows Start menu at the bottom of your screen. You can also press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the menu, choose Settings or simply search for Settings if you prefer. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and select Accounts. This section contains all the options related to your sign-in details, user information, and security preferences. Next, click on Sign-in Options. This is where Windows organizes all your login methods, such as passwords, PINs, facial recognition, and fingerprint settings. Find the section labeled PIN, Windows Hello, and click on it to expand the menu. You'll see the option, Change PIN. Go ahead and select it. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter your current PIN and then create a new one. Just follow the instructions on the screen. After typing your new PIN and confirming it, click OK. Your PIN has now been successfully updated, and the next time you sign in, Windows will ask for the new one you've just created. This is a quick and simple way to keep your device secure and protect your personal information. If this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more straightforward Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching.